Nandito uli ako sa Mall of Asia para sa homecoming parade ni Dia Mate na nananong Reina Hispano-Americana 2025 sa bansang Bolivia. 4 o'clock mag-start yung parada. At dumating na nga si Dia Mate, ang bagong Reina Hispano-Americana 2025 na nanalo sa bansang Bolivia para sa kanyang parade dito sa MOA.
Maraming salamat po. I am so touched and I'm so happy you're all here. So, from the bottom of my heart, thank you. I really cannot give enough thank yous. I am very proud and glad to bring home the Reina Hispano-Americana crown. Second one for the Philippines. It's been such a whirlwind, an overwhelming amount of emotion, but I am so proud and happy that the Filipino people have supported me forever for the longest time, and I'm so glad I got to bring this back home for the Philippines.
Dia, ano yung nararamdaman mo yung dalawa nila kayo ni Venezuela sa yung top 2?
Hindi ko naniwala. Kasi parang lahat ng mga candidates doon, ang gaganda, diba? So beautiful. Amazona, Elsewhere, their passerella is amazing. So of course, I really just want to focus on myself, focus on the journey, and make sure that I do the best that I can in order to win the crown. And that's what I did, and now we're here.
Nagulat din kami nung kumanta kayo sa Sinisut, ano? Anong pakiramdam na ba't ano?
Oh my gosh, so Reina loves performances, they love singing, just like us Pinoys, and they found that I could sing, and 4 other candidates as well. So they said, you know what, why not throw them into the show and make them sing as well?
Last na lang, mahirap pa talaga yung Reina Hispano-Americana kasi mga Latina yung mga
Yes.
kandidato.
Mahirap talaga, but what I can say about Reina is they're a very fair pageant. Walang luto. They really care about a candidate's character and how a candidate performs.
Okay, thank you so much po.
For now, okay na to.
Okay, thank you. Dia, congratulations. Pa lang eh. So tapos na yung aming coverage sa homecoming parade ni Dia Mate dito sa Mall of Asia. Kasama ko si Dance Speeds, dito kami sa loob ng mall. Bye! Okay na to!